Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. This is the second video in trigonometry transformations. In previous video we discussed the long answer type questions. In this video also long answer questions I am going to cover. If you are seeing the first time this video, please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Let us have a discussion. The first question: if capital A, comma B, comma C are angles in triangle, then prove that sin square A plus sin square B minus sin square C equal to 2 sin A sin B into cos C. To prove this type of problems, all the problems which are related to the triangle A, B, C are angles in a triangle. So first, given A, comma B, comma C are angles in a triangle, then we have A plus B plus C equal to 180 or pi. After that, consider LHS. Now take that LHS. Sin square A plus sin square B minus sin square C, which is equal to, we know that from transformation formulas, sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So by using this formula, where we have to apply? Observe that second term and the third term, it is in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. In place of A, B is there. In place of C, B is there. So, sin square A plus, for the next two terms, we are going to apply the formula, keep bracket, sin of B plus C into sin of B minus C. After completing of this step, we need to get the value of sin of B plus C. See here how we are going to get as, we know that A plus B plus C equal to 180. A plus B make as a subject, which is equal to 180 minus C. Taking sin on both sides, sin of A plus B, which is equal to sin of 180 minus C. We know that sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta. Therefore, sin of A plus B equal to sin C. Wherever sin of A plus B is there, you have to replace with sin C. Therefore, sin square A plus, here A plus B. Here we want sin of B plus C, no? Similarly, you can make, in place of A plus B, B plus C you take. Here A you can take, here B plus C. So here sin of B plus C. Here also sin of B plus C. So here capital A, sin of 180 minus A. So whichever the angle we want, here we want B plus C. Previously I explained about A plus B angle. Here we require B plus C. B plus C make as a subject. B plus C equal to 180 minus A. Sin of B plus C equal to sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta. So sin of B plus C equal to sin A. Wherever sin of B plus C is there, you have to replace with sin A. Therefore, sin A into sin of B minus C. So from these two, sin A take common. Sin A into, one of the sin A if you take out common, another sin A value is there, plus sin of B minus C. Again in place of sin A, you have to replace with sin of B plus C. So which is equal to sine A into sine of B plus C plus sine of B minus C. If we remember the formula, sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B equal to 2 sine B cos C. Suppose if you do not remember the formula, you have to expand the formula sine of B plus C, sine of B minus C, and then simplify, you will get the answer. But I am writing here directly. We know the formula, sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B equal to 2 sine A cos B. In place of A comma B, B and C is there, no? So this bracket value will becomes sine A into 2 sine B cos C by applying the formula here. So 2 constant, first A, after that B, sine A, after that sine B into cos C. This is required RHS, they are asking to prove that. So it is required RHS, hence proved. We will move to the next question. The next question, cos square A plus cos square B minus cos square C equal to 1 minus 2 sin A sin B into cos C. We have to prove that. This is the third question, Roman letter 2. Given ABC are angles in the triangle, then we have the A plus B plus C equal to 180. Come to the LHS in this question. The LHS value is cos square A plus cos square B minus cos square C. This LHS we need to converting into formula form. We have the formula cos square A minus sin square B formula is there with us. So here but sin square B is not there. So what we are going to do is cos square A we are writing same. That second term cos square B, cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So cos square B can be written as 1 minus sin square B minus cos square C. As it is, you have to write it. Why only we are writing like this cos square B only in terms of sin? We have the formula cos square A minus sin square B, which is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. To get the formula form, we are writing like this. So, first you have to write as 1 plus keep bracket cos square A minus sin square B minus cos square C. In place of this bracket value, you have to apply this formula. So, which is equal to 1 plus cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B minus cos square C. I want to get the value of cos of A plus B. See here, A plus B plus C equal to 180. But I want the value of cos of A plus B. Now A plus B make as a subject. So A plus B equal to 180 minus C. Taking cos on both sides, cos of A plus B equal to cos of 180 minus C. Cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta, which is equal to minus cos C. So cos of A plus B is equal to minus cos C. So wherever cos of A plus B is there, you have to replace with minus cos C, which is equal to 1 minus cos C into cos of A minus B minus cos square C. In the next step, take common cos C minus cos C from these two terms, which is equal to 1 minus cos C. Cos minus cos C, if you take out common, cos of A minus B plus cos C. Again what we have to do? Cos C value from here again can get it. So both sides multiplying by minus, cos C equal to minus of cos of A plus B. So wherever cos C is there, you have to replace with minus cos of A plus B. So 1 minus cos C cos of A minus B minus cos of a plus b. Again we have formula. Which formula we have? Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to 2 sin a sin b. Suppose if you do not remember this formula, at least cos of a minus b expansion you have to write and cos of a plus b expansion you have to write and then simplify, you will get the answer. 1 minus cos c into 2 sin a sin b. Actual multiplication you have to do that. 1 minus 2 into first a term sin a sin b into cos c, which is only they are asking to prove or in RHS. So hence this is the result. This is required RHS. We'll move to the next question, dear students. The next question, fourth question. If a plus b plus c equal to pi, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 equal to 2 times of 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. See here, first given a plus b plus c equal to 180, that means pi. Now consider LHS. Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. After completing of this step, cos square a by 2, I want to keep in formula format. We know that in the previous question also cos square a minus sin square b formula we applied. So here also cos square b by 2 in terms of sin if you write like 1 minus sin square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Now 1 plus cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. So this value you have to write, you have to apply the formula. Cos square a minus sin square b is equal to cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So in place of a comma b, what values are there? A by 2, b by 2 is there. So it will becomes 1 plus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 value we will calculate. So a plus b plus c equal to 180, that means pi. A plus b equal to pi minus c. A by 2 plus b by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. So taking cos on both sides, cos of a by 2 plus b by 2, which is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus c by 2. Cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta. So sin c by 2 will come. So the value of cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 is sin c by 2. But sin c by 2 is not there. Cos square c by 2 in terms of sin you have to write. So which is equal to 1 plus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 is sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus 1 minus sin square c by 2. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 plus from these two terms take common sin c by 2. So sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Again what we have to do, in place of this bracket sin c by 2, in bracket sin c by 2, you have to write again cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. So which is equal to 2 plus sin c by 2 cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. Again it is in the form of cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. What is that formula? Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, which is equal to 2 sin a sin b. So 2 plus sin c by 2 into 2 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. So ultimately from these two take common here and here. 1 plus, first write the value of a, sin a by 2, a term, into b term, that is sin b by 2, into sin c by 2. This is the required RHS. 2 times of 1 plus sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2, which is required RHS, hence proved. We'll move to the next question. The next question in fourth, second bit. If a plus b plus c equal to pi, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 equal to 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. So like previous problem, here only difference is minus. Similar procedure you have to follow. A plus b plus c equal to pi, it is given. Now consider LHS. Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. After that, cos square a by 2, to get the formula form, cos square b by 2 can be written as 1 minus sin square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. So which is equal to, keep bracket, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 b by 2, sorry. 1 minus cos square c by 2 is 1 minus cos square c by 2. In the next step we will write it, it is sin square c by 2. Cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2. You have to apply the formula cos square a minus sin square b, cos of a plus b 2, cos of a minus b. So it will become cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus 1 minus cos square c by 2, it is sin square c by 2. Now cos of a by 2 plus b by 2, in the previous question we discussed how it will come. Cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 is sin c by 2. So now in place of cos of a by 2 plus b by 2, you have to write sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Now sin c by 2 take common from first term and second term. So take out common sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2. In place of sin c by 2, again you have to replace with cos of a by 2 plus b by 2, which is equal to sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. We know the formula cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to cos of a plus b form plus cos of a minus b. 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. So now which is equal to sin c by 2 into 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. So ultimately you have to write as 2 times of cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sine c by 2. This is required RHS. I think small change in the here. This is sine c by 2. It is not sine c by 2. This is required RHS. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.